Hello everyone, welcome to today's learning video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Septi Anesia Purnama, or you can call me Anes. In this session, we will discuss a very interesting and important topic in economics. Yes, we are talking about econometrics and regression. Do you know how economists measure the relationship between economic variables quantitatively, or how they predict the impact of economic policies? Well, this is where econometrics and regression come into play. Let's start by learning what econometrics is, how a regression is used to measure relationship between economic variables, and how the method helps in making data-driven decisions. Let's dive right in. First, definition of econometrics. Econometrics is a branch of economics integrates economic theory, mathematics, and statistics to analyze quantitative relationship between economic variables using empirical data. Econometrics aims to test economic theories, make a prediction, and measure the impact of economic policies. 2. The role of economics, mathematics, and statistics in econometrics. First, economic theory. Hypothesis the relationship between economic variables, but it is a qualitative. For example, if income rises, consumption also rises, but it is known how much the increase is. 2. Economics mathematics. Mathematics, especially economic mathematics, plays a role in formulating economic theories in the form of mathematical equations without empirical verification of the theory. Here are some examples. A. To the model of consumption function, the equation is as follows: C equals beta 0 plus beta 1 and Y. C as a consumption, Y as a income, and beta 0 and beta 1 are a coefficient. B. To the model, the production function. The equation used is as follows: Y equal B0 plus B1 x1 plus B2 x2. Y as a output of production process, x1 as a capital input, x2 as a labor input. The model used in linear because the relationship between an input and output in the simplest production process is linear. Next, we will explain about a regression. Regression is a statistical method to analyze the relationship between a dependent variable, or Y, and independent variable, or X. There are three types of regression: linear regression, multiple regression, and non-linear regression. The function of a regression analysis: 1. Improve efficiency. Helps a company improve business operation with regression data. Future prediction. Allows to predict the opportunities and risks of decisions to be taken. Correcting errors. Helps a correct erroneous decision by calculating the result. And provides new knowledge. Provides new insight generated from filed data. Benefit of regression analysis: predict the effect of variables on other variables, proves the existence of a functional relationship between dependent and independent variables, estimating the mean and value of variables, test the dependency hypothesis between variables, and optimizing business process. Regression formula. First, simple linear regression with the formula Y equal A plus BX plus A. In the description, y as a dependent variable, x as a independent variables, a as a constant, and b as a regression coefficient, a or residual as a error. 2. Multiple linear regression. With a formula y equal a plus b1x1 plus c1x2 plus d1x3 plus a, with the description y as a dependent variable, x1, x2, x3 as an independent variable, a as a constant, b, c, and d as a regression coefficient, and a as a residual error. Econometrics is a branch of economics that combines economic theory, mathematics, and statistics to analyze quantitative relationships between economic variables using empirical data. The main goal of econometrics is to test economic theories, make a prediction, and measure the impact of economic policies. Through the role of economic theory in forming hypotheses, mathematics to formulate the theory in mathematical equation, and statistics to process data and estimate parameters, econometrics provides a more accurate and data-based economic analysis. Meanwhile, regression is one of the methods used in econometrics to test the relationship between dependent and independent variables. In regression are several types such as simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. Regression allows us to predict the value of the dependent variables based on change in the independent variables, as well as measure the strength of the relationship between these variables. As such, regression plays an important role in providing analytical tools that can support data-driven and more quantitative economic decisions. Thank you so much for following our discussion about econometrics and regression. I hope the material we cover has provided you with a clear understanding of how economic integrates theory and mathematics and statistics to analyze economic variables. By understanding regression, we can measure a relationship between variables and make more accurate predictions. So, if you want to delve deeper into the world of economics, this is a very important foundation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on future learning videos. See you next time and good luck with your study.